So I figured I'd do a little video on this Saturn of mine. I had a really weird thing where this engine would start really good when it was cold, but then as soon as it was warmed up, it would not start. It would flood. If you did get it started, it would run extremely rich. And I just thought I'd put a video out what it actually was. It was bad water temperature switch. And I thought it was something to do with the fuel. I tested the fuel pressure. I replaced the fuel filter. I actually took the fuel rail off, cleaned the injectors, and then I also changed the spark plugs, wires. Thought it was possibly a crank sensor because I didn't really have a code for the water temperature switch. And it just plagued me, actually. And here it ended up being a bad water temperature switch. And I guess another thing, if you have an automatic, I was told, is sometimes they won't shift into overdrive too. But I've just figured throw a video up of this all just so that if somebody's having this issue, maybe they'll see this video and maybe they can try the water temperature switch, which is located right under here. It's a 13 millimeter bolt going into that. This is a 97 engine, or not 97, it's a 99 motor, but it's got a 97 intake on it and a 99 manifold. And yeah, but anyway, and that debauchery was not from me. That was from a different owner. I'm guessing they had too tall of a battery in it. But that's it. This is my SW. It's pretty dang nice, though. I'm pretty happy she's a running unit. But yeah, that caused a lot of headache.